Welcome to Secret Math Tricks. In this channel, you will learn mathematics in an easy and simple way. Here, we will explore useful math tricks, important concepts, and tips for exam preparation. Our goal is to make mathematics easy, interesting, and enjoyable for every student. In this video, you will discover the math secrets your teacher may never have told you. So get ready to learn, understand, and master mathematics the smart way. In today's video, we are going to learn some important concepts of trigonometry in a very simple way. In this video, we will cover: first, what are trigonometric functions? Then we will understand the definition of trigonometric functions. After that, we will learn about a right-angled triangle, because trigonometry is based on it. Next, we will study the 6 trigonometric functions, such as sine, cosine, and tangent. Then I will share a secret trick to remember these functions easily. And finally, we will solve some examples to understand the concept better. Now the question is, what are trigonometric functions? The definition is very simple. Trigonometric functions are the ratios of the sides of a right-angled triangle. There are 2 important things in this definition. The first important thing is ratio, and the second important thing is a right-angled triangle. This means trigonometry works with the ratios of the sides of a right-angled triangle. So remember these 2 important words: ratio and right-angled triangle. Now let's understand what a ratio is. A ratio compares 2 quantities by division. In simple words, a ratio shows the relationship between 2 numbers. Let's look at a simple example. If x equals 3 and y equals 7, then the ratio of x to y will be x divided by y, which is 3 over 7. So the ratio is 3 to 7. This is how we compare 2 quantities using a ratio. Now let's understand the right-angled triangle. A right-angled triangle is a triangle in which one angle is equal to 90 degrees. This triangle has 3 sides. The first side is called the hypotenuse. It is the longest side of the triangle. The second side is the base, and the third side is the perpendicular. In trigonometry, we use these 3 sides to find different ratios, like sine, cosine, and tangent. So it is very important to understand these 3 sides. Now let's see the ratios of a right-angled triangle. In a right-angled triangle, we have 3 sides: base, perpendicular, and hypotenuse. When we divide these sides with each other, we get different ratios. For example, the ratio of base and hypotenuse is b over h. The ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse is p over h. And the ratio of perpendicular and base is p over b. These ratios are called trigonometric functions. In the next step, we will learn the 6 trigonometric functions like sine, cosine, and tangent. Now let's look at the 6 trigonometric functions. In trigonometry, we mainly use 6 functions. The first function is sine. The second function is cosine. The third function is tangent. The other 3 functions are the reciprocal functions. They're cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So the 6 trigonometric functions are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. In the next step, we will learn how these functions are related to the sides of a right-angled triangle. Now let's look at the definitions of the main trigonometric functions. First, we have sin theta. Sin theta equals perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Next is cosine theta. Cosine theta equals base divided by hypotenuse. And the third one is tan theta. Tan theta equals perpendicular divided by base. Students often find it difficult to remember these ratios. So here is a secret trick to remember them easily. We use this sentence: some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. Each word represents a trigonometric function. So this trick helps us remember sin, cos, and tan very easily. Now let's understand the reciprocal trigonometric functions. We already learned sine, cosine, and tangent. Now we will see their reciprocals. The reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. So we can write cosecant theta equals 1 over sin theta Cosecant theta equals hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. The reciprocal of cosine theta is secant theta. So, secant theta equals 1 over cosine theta, and this equals hypotenuse divided by base. The reciprocal of tangent theta is cotangent theta. So, cotangent theta equals 1 over tangent theta, which equals base divided by perpendicular. Now let's solve a simple example. Suppose we have a right-angled triangle where perpendicular is 3, base is 4, and hypotenuse is 5. Now we will find the trigonometric ratios. First, sin theta. Sin theta equals perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So 3 divided by 5, which equals 3/5. Next, cosine theta. Cosine theta equals base divided by hypotenuse. So 4 divided by 5, which equals 4/5. Next is tangent theta. Tangent theta equals perpendicular divided by base. So 3 divided by 4, which equals 3/4. Now we find the reciprocals. Cosecant theta equals 5/3. Secant theta equals 5/4. Cotangent theta equals 4/3. So this is how we calculate all 6 trigonometric functions.
I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel for more math tricks like this. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.